So hello friends, I am Neeraj and hope you are doing great. So we have built our application and this is the code which I have written so far, and let's try to do some thinking, give it some thought about our overall application structure, and let's try to refactor our code a little bit. Okay. So just try to think of it at see, this is our application. So here in our application we could have something which is common, and that is called the header part, and one footer part, and we can also have some search box so that user can search our application, and some text. So if we try to keep each and every piece of information in one single file, so our application would not be in a organized way. So we will try to keep it our application code in a structured way, and so let us try to refactor it. And by the way, since this is also since this is React Native, and we will try to keep try to follow the same approach as of React.js, and where we in React.js also, like, we create components, and our intention is that just create independent components, and wherever we need it, so we can reuse it again and again over the period of time. So we will take on the same approach, and so let us create a few folders. So we will start with components, and we will place all of our custom components, custom created files, custom components inside this components folder. And here also we can have something like let's say name it common, some common files. So inside common we can have our header file ready. So let us try to header.tsx. So we will go with RNFS. This actually this RNFS, when you write RNFS and hit enter, so it will create a React Native code snippet with a style sheet. This is what we need. So our header file is created, and let us give it some name, my application, or make it my React Native application, right? And since we have already created our header files, so all we have to do is very simple. Simply we have to import it. Okay, and simply we have to import it, and the moment we import it, so yes, it is visible here. So it is my application, and let me also, and let us also try to give it some styling. Okay, so here we have view, and so give it some styles. So style is equal to, and we will create those CSS classes very shortly. So container, and here we will go with container, and it's an object. So here we will say we want this this whole container, this block header part with margin, with have some top margin. So margin top, and let us say margin top 10. I think it would be fine. However, this is just a designing part, so we have to give it a try, and then we have to land to one conclusion. So our container is ready, and let us also create one other CSS class, that is header, say header text. So it's will again take an object, and this time we want it to be text align as center, and we also want this to be having a font size of, let's say, 30, and we also want as color color having, let's say, red. Let us see that in action, and before doing that we have to apply this newly created style to this component, this component. So style equals to styles dot header text. Save it. Maybe refresh. Maybe try to, actually sometimes it gets stuck, so we need to close the terminal and again try to reload it. Okay, so yes, our application looks much better. So this header part is, so let us also give some let's make it some bold. So we can also go with font weight, and it can also take, let's say, bold, and also I think we can also have something like padding bottom, and let's say go with how about 8. Let's see. Yes, now our application looks much better than previous one. So I think instead of red we can make it the black. 000. Yes, this looks good. However, you can go with as you like, with whatever color combination you like. So I think let's wind up this session for today, and so this is how we can structure our application, and we can add the files, and so that right now this header file is an independent one, and we can import wherever we need to import it, and we will keep on adding other stuffs as well, and we will see that in coming sessions. So till then, take care, and if you have any questions, so please do let me know, and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. So till then, take care and happy coding.